So guys, I hate that I did not start taping this. Recording and taking photos of this at the very beginning of this process. Because this was just a plain white lamp. Before I got started on it, I added mold appliques. I used Prima. They're mermaid, no, IOUD molds. Their mermaid edition for this. And I'm covering it in a couple of coats of this chalk paint by Art Minds. It's called Seafoam. Yeah, this bottle container have been through some things, but this is not going to be the top coat. This is like the base coat, and so far I've covered this in a couple coats, right? And after I applied the applique molds to the lamp, really excited, but I thought it would be a great idea if I start capturing some footage and images of these right now. And as you can see, the lamp over here, it's kind of like how it looked before. I started off painting in one color, then I applied the applique molds, and then similar to this particular lamp, I'm going to go back and paint a couple of coats in chalk paint the entire piece along with the applique molds. I'm not sure what color the base coat is going to be yet. It could be something simple as white. Not sure.